Today we're going to do a movement activity to help us distinguish or tell apart the three different tribes that we've learned. So we have learned about the Powhatan, the Lakota, and the Pueblo. We've learned about their climate, what that weather is normally like each year, their location or region they're in, their occupations or jobs, where they lived, how they traveled, what they used for food, and what the land was like. So today, you're going to see pictures, and I'll give descriptions, and you're going to do that activity for the tribe that you think it is. So we'll start with this one together. It says, which tribe? So you see here that there are terraced houses that are multiple layers. So we're going to think about which group of American Indians had these types of houses. If it's the Powhatan, you're going to do 10 windmills. Lakota, 10 squats. Pueblo, 10 jumping jacks. You're right, this one's the Pueblo Indian, so you should be doing 10 jumping jacks. Go ahead and get those exercises done. For this one, we're looking for the tribe that was on the east coast of the United States and in Virginia. Which tribe is located at this star? Very good. You should be doing 10 windmills because that is the Powhatan group. Which tribe only walked from place to place? They didn't have any other way of transportation, of getting from one place to another. Yes, it's the Pueblo Indians. You should be doing 10 jumping jacks right now. Which tribe lived over here near Mexico and the Rio Grande River? Very good. You should be doing 10 jumping jacks again, because that's where the Pueblo Indians lived. Which tribe had these occupations or jobs? Farming, hunting, and fishing. Awesome if you picked the Powhatan Indians and you're doing the 10 windmills, because the Powhatan Indians lived on the east coast of the United States and in Virginia, and they made their settlements along the rivers or villages. Which group traveled by walking, or they rode horses that were brought over from the Spanish? You should be doing squats because that is the Lakota tribe. Which tribe had long houses or houses that were called Yehakans? Awesome job doing those windmills. Which tribe had land with high flatlands, plateaus? Yep, you should be doing those jumping jacks again because that's the Pueblo Indians. The Lakota were on the prairie, and the Powhatan were in the eastern woodland with lots of trees. Which tribe was nomadic and hunted buffalo? Oh, we have some new exercises here. So we have sky punches for the Powhatan, arm circles for the Lakota, and the Pueblo still has those jumping jacks. Yep, you should be doing your arm circles because the Lakota tribe followed the buffalo and hunted it, and they used every part of the buffalo. Which tribe walked and used canoes to travel? I like how you're doing those 10 windmills because that was the Powhatan since they were near water on the east coast of the United States. Which tribe had hot days, cold nights, and little rainfall? Very good, the Pueblo Indians. So their weather really changed from the morning until the night, not so much the seasons. Which tribe had occupations or jobs of being hunters and horsemen? Very good, the Lakota. rode their horses to hunt buffalo or to get around. You should be doing your 10 squats. Which tribe had the occupation of, or job of farming and hunting? Oh, did you see that the exercise changed? You should be doing toe touches because the Pueblo Indians were big farmers and they also hunted. Which tribe was in the middle of the United States in the Plains area? Yep, you should be doing those 10 arm circles because that is the Lakota tribe. So we have the Powhatan, Lakota, and Pueblo. So the L is in the middle. Which tribe had hot summers and harsh, cold winters with lots of snow? I like how you're doing squats because that was the Lakota tribe in the middle of the United States. Which tribe had cactuses as their plant life? Good job rocking out those toe touches for the Pueblo Indians. Which tribe had teepees as their houses? They're made of buffalo skins to give you a hint, so you can think about who hunted buffalo. I like how you're doing those squats. Get it done for those Lakota Indians. Which tribe had a variety of plant life? That means they had a lot of different types of plants. They had trees and bushes and flowers and herbs. Yeah, we should be doing those windmills for the Powhatan Indians. The Lakota only really had grasses because they were in the plains, and the Pueblo Indians had cactuses. Final question and final workout. Which tribe had hot, humid summers and mild winters? So the summers are hot, winters are not too bad. Those windmills are looking good because that is the Powhatan Indians, and that describes our climate in Virginia. In your activity today, you are going to look at this Native American or American Indian review. If something tells about the Powhatan, it's going to be brown. If it tells about the Lakota, it's going to be green. And if it tells about the Pueblos, it's going to be yellow. So you're going to look at each of these and see what color we should color it. So we're looking who lived in the eastern woodland region. If you have your study guide still, that's a really helpful thing to look at. So this should be brown for the Powhatan. Very good. Here we have walked. Walked. Which group of people only walked? Yeah, the Pueblo Indians walked, so that should be yellow. See how it's not going to be the same color all the way down? Each row is going to have a combination of brown, green, and yellow. And they might be mixed up in the next row because they're out of order. So you're going to read each of these statements and color it based on the tribe that it represents. So Southwest Virginia would be, yeah, the Lakota. So you're going to go brown, yellow, and Plains Indians are the Lakota, green. So we've got Powhatan, Pueblo, Lakota, brown, yellow, green. Go ahead and finish the rest of the page and let us know your knowledge of the American Indian tribes.